Welcome to this new channel. It is all about 590 Lotto winning strategies. So, how to make money in 590 Lotto is what we are trying to find from the systems which we have across the globe, which are 590 Lotto. So, if you want to get more updates on this particular key strategies of winning the 590 lottery, then you can just follow the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the bell symbol for notification so that anytime a new video is being uploaded on this particular channel, YouTube can send you notification and that you will have access to that particular new video and you will never miss any of our videos. So on this channel, I provide 2 direct, 3 direct, 4 direct, and even 5 direct winning strategies in connection to 590 lottery systems. All right. So these are the benefits that you derive when you join the channel by just subscribing to the channel. In this particular video, we are taking the number 89 and we are taking the second number 76. These are the two numbers we want to find from the system, how the system dropped 89 and 76 as 2 direct serial numbers. There may be different strategies that the system may use to drop the same two numbers, but one of them which I have found and I want to share with you, a very simple one indeed. Simple keys is what I share on this particular channel. So the number 89, when you check from the example or the results that we have here, the lotto result, which is 520 lotto result that we have here, we have 89 which drop at the first of the winning number position, and with the number 76 at the first of the machine number position. So this particular strategy is winning and machine number strategy. All right. But one thing is that we are taking them according to position. Sometimes the system may also decide to drop them in different positions. All right, but 89 in winning while 76 in machine numbers. For that instant, you just have to try some little amount of money or little coins of money. All right. But when you get the number 89 at first of the machine winning number position, while 76 drop at the first of the winning number position, that means that it is stronger, that you can invest higher amount of money on it. So this is when you will stick. Just after that, the next result, don't waste. You have to use the number 89. Repeat 89 and take the number 76 along with it to get your 2 direct serial numbers. So the next result, 8976, will be your 2 direct serial numbers. All right. So when you are taking it, you add 15, 56, and 85 together with the two numbers to get your 5 numbers permutation. Very simple one indeed. Share the video, like the video if you like. When you share to the people, when the key set, they may see it and they also inform you. All right. And tell them to subscribe so that they will get more updates and they'll also inform you whenever the key is set. Maybe you will not see it or you not get time to check. So when it's set, your friend can also remind you that, oh, this particular key that we learn on the channel have set. Then you go and try your luck on it to get money. All right, so that's what we do. We help ourselves. Thank you for watching. Let I'm on the channel. Keep watching. Stay blessed.